from Navigator World Whisky, and today we have a wonderful treat. Very excited and proud to be talking about a very exclusive Hampden bottling for South Africa. As we started to lead up to the launch of this particular expression, we got insane amount of interest from loads of rum enthusiasts all around the world, and rightfully so. Today we're tasting the White Chinned Thrush. This comes from the Endemic bird series, and it's bottled exclusively for South Africa, so no other country in the world or no other market in the world will be getting it, and it is limited to only 250 bottles. So if you're into beautiful rums or beautiful spirits, before we even get to the tasting, I highly recommend it. This rum itself has a really high ester count of between 200 to 400, which is really high. And its particular marking in the rum world is L Rock. It's aged for 10 years in Jamaica, so making it really, really bold and has a spectacular balance in flavors and characters. It is a single cask bottling, hence the low amount available in terms of actual bottle units. It's at 62.5% alcohol by volume. However, most certainly does not taste like a big smack in the face of alcohol. First and foremost, the color, obviously natural, as always. I would say this is like an old gold color. Really, really beautiful. And that alone is worthy of a note. Then, as always, with our big high ester rums, bringing that to our nose, and we get this big explosion of flavor. Everything from kind of a burnt rubber to a little bit of a floral undertone to sugar cane coming through. A nice level of spiciness, more of a cinnamon spice, I would say. But as per all our Hampden tasting sessions, I really just suggest you sit back and really kind of delve into the flavor and not rush into it. So bringing this rum to our palate, take a moment to really sit back and explore the different flavors. And it's not every day you get to taste something like this, so I hope you're joining me. Cheers. So that Hampden DNA is there through and through. It's got that big rum funk, but then this delicate kind of pineapple undertone, really tropical fruits, a nice hint of coconut coming through, camphor. That burnt rubber is still there interplaying. But it's a beautiful balance of kind of big flavor and elegance that comes through. What can I say? Highly recommend it, and hope you can find a bottle as in demand as they are. Hopefully there are a few floating around for you. Thanks for joining me. Cheers.